Hi viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can speed up your typing speed in the chatting, and it will take a lot of less time for you guys, and with some shortcode you can more type and you can type a lot of paragraphs by a short time, and you can send it to your friends easily within a second. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm gonna show you, and it will take a second for you guys to type a full paragraph here. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm gonna show you. So I request you please watch this video till to the end, and it will really more handy for you guys. So before just starting that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with you guys. So to do this here, you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, and that app you will get in the Google Play Store. Here it is, that app is the Typing Hero Text Expander Auto Text. So here it is guys, this is the app, and here you need to install that, and after that you need to open up the app in your mobile phone. So here it is guys, after just opening that, here it is guys, now you need to click on that plus to add your own text is there. So suppose that here guys, I just add here a keyword called GM. Now here I just type here the good morning here, like so. Here it is guys, I just typing here the good morning, and now click on this add plus sign is there. So here it is guys, it just adding there. Now it say me to active that code, so I now click on that accessibility option from here, and now after that I need to go to the Typing Hero from here, and now I need to make it okay on. So I just make it on there. So here it is guys, it's just on. Now here it is guys, it's on. Now you can add more options are there. So here it is guys, now click here again to add another. Now click on the plus sign. Suppose here I just type H1, and now I just type here the hello, and then I just type here how are you. So here it is guys, this is the text. Now you need to click here on that right, and that means here it's also added there. Now we will in the test drive. So first of all I just go to in my Messenger from here, and here I will just show you the test. Now I just go to here on that text messenger there, and now from here now click here on that text, and from here just type here GM. Wherever I just make my good morning on that GM, here it is guys, it just show you that GM. Now if I just type here the H1, that means here it is I just wholly type here the hello how are you. So here it is guys, by that tricks you can easily type your text to your friends easily with the quickest possible time, and it's really awesome for you guys. So what's about the tricks guys, do you like that? And if it's so, then I refer you to use these tricks in your mobile phone, and it's really awesome for you guys. So what's about that video guys, do you like that video? And if it's so, then I request you please like this video, share this video with your friends so that your friend also get informed about that, and subscribe my channel is a must, because we are very near of our first 10,000 subscribers here. So subscribe most and most there guys. So no more today, I have to go for my next video, and we will meet in our that next video here. So till the end, take care, have a nice day, and don't forget that guys, we were meeting on that next video with a special there. So goodbye.